padlock. It's a yellow belt. It's got some spools in it. I am not awake yet this morning, so Lord only knows what my ability is, but we're going to use the Lock Tools Valerian Lockout Buster 25,000th. This is I don't know, there's a 40,000th pry bar from Covert Instruments. Let's get this going. On the pin. One, two, back up. There we go. Three. It's only got 4 pins in it. There's 4. 4. Let's go back to the beginning. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 3, 2. Oh, there it is. That's 2. Let's go back and grab 1, because I don't think 1 got set. 1 got set. There it is. Alright, so not a very difficult pick. Yeah, I mean, I guess it's better than the Master number 5. That's similar size. Let's see, where's that at? There it is. There's the Master 5. Yeah. Not the same. Here, this comes off. There. Let's get that off. Master's a little fatter. But this has security pins and Master Lock doesn't, so I guess that makes it better, you know. I guess like and subscribe. If you got any locks that you want me to open, just let me know, and see y'all next time.